How to log in or sign in to Showmax Account Online. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video I'm going to teach you on how can you log in or sign into your Showmax Account Online. So without any delay, let's get started. Begin by opening any web browser such as popular Google Chrome. In the search bar, type Showmax Login and click on the first website that appears in the search results. This will take you to the page where you can locate the option to sign in at the top right corner. Simply click on it. Next, you'll need to input the credentials of your Showmax account in order to log in. Start by entering your email address followed by your password correctly. If you happen to forget your password, you can easily recover it by clicking on the Forgot Password option. Once you have filled all the necessary details associated with your Showmax account, click on Sign In, and congratulations, you are now successfully logged into your Showmax account online. It's simple as that to access your Showmax account. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. And if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.